Hello everyone, welcome back to another crypto cult airdrop video, and in today's video we will be talking about one of the most hyped airdrop of this season, that is from Story Protocol. This is almost a confirmed airdrop and we have to do this on a testnet. One of the most attractive thing about this airdrop is that they have raised a lot of funding. They have raised almost $135 million, and we can go on CryptoRank and verify this. We can also see from where they have raised this funding, and you can see in series A we have big names like Balaji Srinivasan, Samsung Next, Alliance DAO, Hashed Fund, and so on. So this could be an Aptos level airdrop that is coming. And they have also teased this airdrop by tweeting that they will reward real users. So decent hype is there, doing it is very simple, and a lot of funding has been raised. So we will be doing this airdrop and hopefully be eligible for an upcoming airdrop. Story Protocol is a layer 1 protocol. Right now they are going through a testnet phase and they are running an Odyssey program for all the users, which you can join for free. You can join this for free and be eligible for the airdrop. And here they have clearly mentioned that airdrop is confirmed and they will be rewarding real users. Story is not for farmers, and we appreciate, cherish real community members giving real feedback on real problems. Now let's see how do you need to participate. So we'll start with the CryptoCult thread. Link will be down in the description, and the first step is going on a faucet. Just go through this link and make sure you have a Gitcoin score. Now to claim this faucet, you will need a Gitcoin passport, which is very easy to get. You just need to collect 20 points to prove that you are a real human. On the passport website, you can see that we have 21 points here, and to get this, you need to do some very basic tasks. Basically, just connect your social media and show that you have some activity on the Ethereum chain. We have already done that in the Hemi protocol video. After that, go back to the faucet and connect your wallet. And just click on claim and get the testnet tokens. Now you can only claim this faucet once every 24 hours. Now second step is claiming the NFT. So the link is in the thread. Just click on this link, connect your wallet here. Then scroll down. You have 4 steps that you need to do, which is basically some social media task. Just like some tweet, follow some people, and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and it should be done. After everything is completed, you can go down and claim the badge. Once you confirm on your wallet, the NFT will be minted. The next step is to collect the badges from projects working in this ecosystem. For that, we have also given a link. Just click on this link. Now, as you scroll down, you'll find a lot of projects. We need to find projects that are Odyssey partners that you can identify by looking at the blue dot on the top right corner. Projects which don't have that blue dot, you can skip. Now this could be a long video if we collect all the badges, so I'll just show you 2 or 3 examples, then you can go ahead and collect on your own. So let's start with color. Click on the icon and click on Odyssey badge available. Once you click, you have to go and connect your wallet. Then you have again some social tasks you need to do. Now go to the marketplace, and we need to do these 3 tasks. Now this marketplace is in testnet phase, so it could not be working 50% of the times like while I was shooting this video, so we can skip that for the time, but it's very simple. You can see the written steps. Similarly, you need to go and collect the badges from other projects also. This is something that can boost your chances of getting the airdrop or number of tokens you'll get in the airdrop. Now let's move to number 5, which is unleash. We need to go to the link we have provided, connect our wallet and supply IP as collateral. Then we need to do some borrowing and it should be done. Now once you click on the link, you need to connect your wallet. You can also see that this is mentioned here and it has a badge available. You can just click on this badge also and you can qualify for this badge. Here they have written all the tasks and you can also track your task from here. So it's very simple for us. So let's see how it's done. Let's do the first task, that is supplying 0.8 IP. Just go there and click on supply, write the amount and it should be done. Now we need to go and borrow. So click on USDT and click on borrow, write the amount and borrow the USDT. Now we'll repay this borrowed amount and repay. Now we need to go and withdraw 0.2 IP just to see if all the functions are working. And it's pretty simple, very straightforward, all the task. Next we need to go to the faucet and get some USDT to do the next task. Now go back to the dashboard and go to USDT and click on supply and supply the 10 USDT. Now we'll just need to check this looping hook option and take some leverage. Take any amount you want. Then approve USDT to continue. This task is also completed. Now after this, you need to do one more task. Go to the quest option and paste our referral code. I'm sharing some referral codes, but if these don't work, you can comment your own referral code down below and people can use that. In case you are not able to find, you can also come to our Telegram. Link will be down in the description and we'll share some referral code from our community so everybody can have a good chance at farming this airdrop. Now, before we move further, I want to discuss with you a project that I'm investing in. The IDO is live on CDFI and the project is called Microgpt. What is Microgpt? Microgpt is a cutting edge AI driven platform designed to significantly enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of software development across programming environments. Basically, it's a AI powered code editor. You might have seen these types of things in Web2 like Copilot. It's a user-friendly tool, efficient, customizable, and versatile. It's also developed by the community. It's completely community-driven. It's developed with input from their user community. You can visit their website and check out the complete features, read their white paper, which mentions their tokenomics, where you can see how everything is laid out. Out of this, angel investor round will take out 8%, of seed round took 15%. Public will be able to buy 20% of the token. Ecosystem will take 10%. And they also have a code and earn program, so it will help and motivate the developers to code on this platform. After this, team and advisor takes 8% and rest of the equity is divided like this. You can check out the implementation procedure, how all the environment is set up, how to implement it, how to use it, and so on. The main idea behind this product is to make coding in the Web3 ecosystem easier by providing a dedicated Copilot tool which is trained on specifically Web3 code data, and they are also incentivizing developers and coders to use this platform with the means of their token, basically making a code to earn environment. So check this out. I'm a developer myself, so I am pretty bullish on the use case. Even if it fails, I think my investment will help out providing better education and coding tools to the developer on the Web3 ecosystem. You can participate in the IDO on cd5.com. Link will be in the description. Now let's continue our video. You can go and check whether you are eligible for the Unleashed badge, and all the tasks that we have done has been completed. If even after watching the video some tasks are not getting completed, you can go and look at the thread, ask your questions there. We'll try to help you out. Now after this, there are very basic things that you need to do, like going on Piper and swapping. We have laid out step-by-step screenshots for this, so you can go and try it out yourself. And if you have any problem, don't hesitate to ask any questions in the comments. 7th task is also very simple, which is getting an OG role on Discord. For this, the screenshot mentions all the steps that you need to do. Then you need to go to Mycelium and connect your wallet and Twitter. Complete some tasks daily, create memes, share creations to receive the SPR. We have also mentioned some extra tasks. If someone really wants to get this airdrop, they can do those extra tasks that don't seem that much important to us to be covered in the video. And that's how you can go and farm the story protocol airdrop. This is going to be one of the biggest funded project right now and funded by really good people. And this could be similar to another Aptos airdrop. So please do not miss it. It will not take that much of your time. Maybe it will take 30 to 40 minutes for you to do, and you can do it in small 15 to 20 minutes intervals. So make sure to hit the like button, comment if you have any doubt, and subscribe to the Crypto Cult. I'll see you in the next airdrop video.
इलेक्शन का टाइम है, सब सोच में गम है। बिटकॉइन का प्राइस अपनी हाई स्पीड में दम है। क्रिप्टो किंग्स रेडी, अब नए वॉर रूम है। होने लगी हाइप, सबके हाथ में रम है। बिटकॉइन का सॉन्ग है, आए बड़े जोश में। डॉलर कूदे मार इंगम में उसके दोष पे। क्रिप्टो के युवा सब है खुशियों की जोश में। बुल रन चलेगा अब तो फुल स्पीड फोर्स में।